From the makers of Four Candies is another mechanical pencil kit. This has 6 mechanical pencils with 0.7 millimeter HB and 0.7 millimeter H6 with 3 erasers and additional erasers. As we take it out of the package, we're going to show you what you get inside by opening up. And you have an instruction guide for Candies on how to go about changing the pencils. So basically you grab a pencil, you pull the top, it exposes the eraser head. There's the eraser head. You simply pull the eraser out and you put a new one in like so and place the cover on when not using the eraser head. In order to change the lead, you simply press out, hold the button, pull the lead, and take the lead out. In order to put a new lead in, push in the button and push in the lead like so. You see it's flexible? There's the pencil. Now you're able to go ahead and draw. With one of the pencils and the rubber grip, the clip that can clip onto a shirt. If you need to have the eraser's over here, put the cap to the side, and you can write Four Candies. Pencil. I made a mistake. I erase and I correct. Now, if my pencil ever gets jammed, you take the eraser, you take a lead, slide the lead into the refill kit, and you can press and that should clear your jam. If you need to carry extra lead, you can take a couple of leads with you and you can slide into the refill area as well. You don't want to overstack them. As you can see, there is one here as I'm pressing through. Put your pencil back on the eraser. And if you ever need to replace the erasers, they give you many spares to do so. So you simply take the eraser out, put a new eraser head in, and put your cap back on, and you're off to go. If your tip breaks, simply press down for your tip. You're given 6 pencils. You're given 6 refills, HBs. There's 60 pieces per, 360 lead. 3 erasers. If you need to erase the words with the eraser, it's very simple indeed. This 6-piece mechanical kit may be something that you are after, so you can carry a pencil, do your architecture work, your sketching, your drawings, or just having a pencil that you need to be with you. You get 6 pencils, 0.7 millimeter HB, 60 piece per container, 3 erasers, and a nice carrying case for your needs. Enjoy your Four Candies pencil kit.